Hey there everybody, welcome back to FinBear channel. Today we're going to go over synthetic biologics and its stock ticker is SYN, S-Y-N. And this is a stock that I own more than a few shares in. I might actually consider purchasing a few more. It's highly risky though. I just want to be very, very clear on that. Ultimately, you have to decide when you purchase a stock if you believe the price can go higher and that you can make money on it. Because we don't buy a stock and say, oh, I know it's going to go another 40% down and then pop up. But let me explain to you why I think I might purchase, just in case. So, and it would require more fundamental, of course, analysis. But anywho, let's get started. Here we have the monthly chart. Here we see price action dipped very, very hard down. And that was in 08. That could have been from the bubble. I'm not 100% sure. This is a pharmaceutical company. It has then since moved, had action go up, down, you see it. It was trending up and then we broke the lower, the all-time low and continued to go down. We have now actually flatlined. But as you can see, this stock was once trading considerably higher. And in some of these runs, I mean, my goodness, at one point it was $4 and it made it from $4 all the way to $148. So who's to say that what we're looking at right here, if it was a quarterly chart possibly, we might see an actual interesting thing happening. I think that we might see possibly a bump up to here, which is $16. And that is a good return on investment for me if I am getting in at under $1. Actually, the first area of resistance would be right here, which is 412. So if price action hits 412, very good return on investment, especially when price action is currently at 60 some odd cents. I would then say my next key area of attack would be right here, which is super strong for resistance because you have it right here. It was strong, here it was strong, and here it was strong. If it breaks over this point, which is, let me see here, $17.47, that is a very, very good return on investment of my 60-cent play. And then we continue forward. If it does something similar to this, even if it does not hit these higher peaks, just it trying to get back and build a little bit of a pump. I guess what I would say is my next level would be about here. And that is $29. And I can do this all gosh darn day. I think ultimately if price did another huge ascension and trying to make a strong run, I would say this would be its peak point before going down and possibly hitting a lower low, if not into oblivion, because it's already at 60 cents. Now, all of this is speculative based on fundamentals and what's actually going on with the company. I have to do more research, but this is what a chart is telling me. It's telling me it's either going to go to zero or it's going to make some moves doing this. First stop would be, like I said, $4.12, and that's based off my view of the monthly chart, only going off of areas of supply and resistance. Looking at the RSI, you see it was flatlined, and recently it's making some moves. And do you see that massive volume spike right here? It gave us a little bit of a pump here on there. So who knows? Here we saw it was flatlining. We did not see a massive spike in volume anywhere on here, which tells me a lot. This could be a pump and dump scenario. I don't 100% know, but I'm interested in finding out. As you can see here on the hourly candles, things are continually to progress upward, which is a good sign. We still have a ways to go. Let me zoom out on the daily if we're able to. And as you see also this little retracement here, stocks looks like it's ready to switch back, and we can see continued upward momentum on that as well. I just want to show that before we go here. And the RSI was continuing to move upward too. If you saw that, there was no signs of divergence just yet on the hourly. Here's something interesting. Woo-wee. Let me make this smaller so we can truly see it. I want to see where this candle ended. All right, so this candle, you can barely see behind here. This candle closed at a high of $1.70. So it was trading low and then massive spike of volume, which we saw in that monthly chart. Massive spike of volume, and then it went up a little bit, but did not retest up there. It actually stopped The wicks even stopped where the previous large bullish candle ended. So it's about here. Okay, and so we're kind of basically trading between this area. And if you notice, the action's actually wedging down this way, wedging down. And if it breaks out of it, which it looks like it's starting to here, we could see another push upward, but RSI is already clocking in at 74 just for this movement. And again, this is the daily chart. Stoch is looking like it's ready to make a dip down. So we might touch down here again, or touch just a little bit, or we might see divergence where RSI goes down a bit, and then we're going to see some more upward action. I would absolutely love to see price action hit above 89 cents. That will make me feel better about a short-term bullish run within the next few months. That is my take on synthetic biologics for the short term as well as long-term view, and why I think I might consider purchasing just a few bit more to see what happens. But again, that will be dependent on a fundamental analysis and a sentimental one as well. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want more like these. If you're interested in synthetic biologics, please let me know if you're a long-term investor, what brought you into it, what excites you about the stock, what makes you a little concerned about the stock. Let's share this information and grow our community and build together. Have an amazing week, do awesome things, and let's go make some money.